George?
Well, to go with the bathroom vanity, how about a new steam shower? Relax in this revolutionary shower featuring a built-in steam room, hot tub, acupressure massage, TV, stereo system, hands-free phone, and even a refrigerator for cold drinks. From MyBathUSA.com.
That was nice. Thanks, Sandra. Side by side, yeah. Easy game. It's either 4,752 or 5,247. All you do is flip it one way or the other way. $5,247. I hope you're right. Light it up. You got it. It's a winner. Sir, congratulations. Let's check out your shower. Shower. Hey, folks. Win at home on Price is Right. If you want to, check out our Prices Giveaways at PricesRight.com. Our home game, Prices Giveaways at PricesRight.com. Showcase Showdown coming up next.